Muthenya uria Bishop JJ akorirwo ordain kana consecrate Bishop Mwangi Zakayo ni augire that he is looking forward to an early retirement, at retirement iria retire when he is young. Tuiguage ati Bishop Emeritus kuria Maldives akipunga hewa kule hivyo na kuenjoy life, na muthenya wa umuthi ntwarikia gukorwo tukiona Bishop JJ agikorwo akinengirana all the authority of a bishop and overseer of priesthood churches, akinengirana wathani ucio kuri Bishop Mwangi Zakayo who he recently ordained, na akorwo akiuga ati come August ni agukorwo hand over officially matamu ma wathani kuri Mwangi Zakayo, na from now onwards Bishop Mwangi Zakayo is now the bishop of all priesthood churches, na niwe arikoragwo akidelegate all the duties. Ni horo okorirwo we very emotional kuria kanitha-ini wa priesthood headquarters kuria Kahawa West, haria tuonire haria transition iyo, na Bishop JJ akorwo akiaria haria na akorwo akiuga ati right now arikoragwo receive orders kana duties from the current bishop who is Mwangi Zakayo. Mwangi Zakayo kanitha yake ikoragwo kuria Kiambu, na ni akoretwo agitungata ku for quite some time, ginya hindi iyo arakorirwo akiamurwo ta bishop, na niguo thaici akorwo akinengerwo all the priesthood churches.
When I look at your eyes, I see the man I saw coming. Let's stand upon our feet. Thank you, big team. Thank you for your support. Do you love this man of God? Nimumwendete. Omothe ndanoka kuhunjia. Okire gucera headquarter. Tondu ni arikoragwo kuo muthenya wa Wednesday ni twarikanire mundu rende kuona bishop Wednesday mweni haha mweni ndukabuka makerie mandu atandatu only 6 this Wednesday 6 tondu ndu ayothe mundu egutungatira mwaka ungi no ungi ni mingi, not more than 6 people in a day. Let them go and have some sleep. So this man I have given you freely. He is the bishop of all priesthood fellowship churches. Na mimi niko tu humu, tutakutana humu kwa nduthi huko. We shall do a lot. Bishop wangu wako hapa. Ile kazi atanipea nitafanya. Sasa ndio yako kazi. Kazi iko kwake nimeipeana, na bakisha tu the month of August he'll be coming to receive the seal and the flag. Hiyo itakuwa siku yenyu nyote munizidikisha na miguu mpaka home. And I'll thank God for you. I love you people. I love you and I'll miss you. Thank you. Let me give you your bishop to minister.
Anytime mundu arakorwo akirekereria kaundu akoretwo akirutira wira for quite some time, kana kaundu anakorwo agi struggle nigetha akorwo agika achieve, it is usually very tough and very hard na believing giving your vision to someone else to run it ni undu ukoragwo we very difficult, and I think that is why turona Bishop how very emotional, letting off go whichever depends with your English, but the point is home. Kurekereria kioneki giaku gitongorio ni mundu ungi ikoragwo ari undu umwe muritu muno, letting your vision be led by someone else, and that is what you have seen Bishop JJ doing. Akorwo akirekereria kioneki giake gia kanitha wa priesthood, and maybe all the expansions that he was planning, akorwo agitigira wira ucio wothe Mwangi Zakayo, and it is usually very tough tondu someone's vision is someone's vision. Na ungiona amirekereirie kwi mundu ta Mwangi Zakayo, ni kuona onete ati this guy has the same vision as me. Yakoro a very tough Sunday kuria priesthood headquarters.
Jehova ni urinya ni otaga mothe watamiretera iria-ini itune aria makwihokete nduri wa macionora nio maingagiria mabataro mao. Jehova ni urinya ni otaga mothe watamiretera iria-ini itune aria makwihokete nduri wa macionora nio maingagiria mabataro mao. We makiria
Ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. Thaa ici we are expecting to see muthenya ũcio wa August rĩrĩa Bishop JJ akiuga atĩ muthenya ũcio akainũkio magũrũ nginya gwake. You're waiting to see that time. Chokero toiguage Bishop Emeritus kuria Maldives, kuria Dubai, kuria akipata raha duniani. Anyway guys, ndiye maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. Comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.